This is Dave from Blackbird Cycles. We're at the Route 66 Visitor Center, checking out some of the memorabilia got in here. Trying to figure out where we're at, where we're going, what we're going to stop and see. We're going to try to stop and see a lot of the sites, film them. So keep watching our YouTube for shorts. This is just in the visitor center here. This isn't even, you know, one of the museums. It's just a visitor center. As soon as you come out of St. Louis, not very far out of St. Louis, put you in here. So y'all stay tuned with us. And we're gonna try to take you through all the sites in Missouri today. I don't know how far we'll get. We're gonna try to get to Springfield by nighttime. We're not getting in any hurry today. Besides, my old brother's bike is slow. He can't keep up with my Ultra. But y'all stay tuned, you hear?